Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to lift a truck. Lifting your truck can range from a few $100s for a basic leveling kit to several $1,000s for a comprehensive suspension system. The total cost is influenced by the type of lift, the desired height, and whether you opt for professional installation. Understanding these factors is key to budgeting effectively for your truck's transformation. We'll break down each component to give you a clear financial picture. Let's explore the different types of lift kits. Leveling kits providing 1 to 2 inches of lift are the most affordable, typically $50 to $200. Body lift kits, offering 1 to 3 inches, usually range from $200 to $500. For more significant height, suspension lift kits can provide 2 to 12 inches or more, costing anywhere from $400 to several $1,000s, depending on the components and brand. Beyond the kit itself, professional installation is a major cost factor. This can add $300 to $1,500 to your total. Labor rates often fall between $75 and $150 per hour. A simple leveling kit might take 2 to 4 hours, while a complex suspension lift could require 8 to 16 hours, significantly impacting the overall expense. Always factor in these labor costs. Finally, consider additional expenses. New, larger tires and wheels are often necessary, potentially adding $500 to $3,000 or more. A crucial post-installation step is a wheel alignment, typically costing $100 to $200. Depending on the lift height, you might also need driveline modifications or brake line extensions. These often overlooked items can significantly increase your total budget for lifting your truck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.